guys, this is Eric here once again. Today we're going to do a new cooking video, and today we're going to be making banana muffins. The ingredients are bananas, butter, eggs, flour, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and sugar. So the first step is to cream together the butter plus the sugar, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. Once they are creamed together, add the eggs slowly. So once that is done, we're going to add the vanilla extract. Then we're going to put the bananas. So after every few ingredients, grab a spatula and mix it. So we're going to add our flour next. So not everyone likes chocolate chips, so we're going to put half and half. So we're going to add a little chocolate chips and a little batter on top. This recipe makes 2.5 dozen muffins, and if you don't like chocolate chips, you can add Nutella, caramel, honey, and or a little sugar on top. So this is the final result. As you can see, they turned out very great. The chocolate chip muffins, but banana muffins. They look very good. So hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.